Today, Century Textiles and Industries Limited stands tall as one of the biggest textile industries of India, and it's all due to the vision and hard work of all the people who have been associated with the group. But one particular man of this illustrious textile industry surely needs no introduction. It's Shri B.K. Birla. At a relatively young age of 27, in the year 1952, Shri Basant Kumar Birla, after having completed his studies, decided to venture in viscose yarn making industry. He bought 122 acres of land in a remote, thickly forested area populated by tribals at a distance of 56 kilometers from Mumbai. In 4 years, with sheer hard work, determination and complete dedication, Basant Kumarji realized his dream, and in September 1956, the newly established Century Rayon plant commenced production of 5.5 tons per day of pot-spun viscose filament yarn. In the year 1963, Tyre cord plant was initiated in collaboration with MSAKU, Holland. Adding to the wings, a modern unit of continuous spun yarn commenced its operations in the year 1998. To meet the needs of various chemicals required in the rayon manufacturing process, the organization had a backward integration into manufacturing of chemicals like caustic soda, sulfuric acid, and carbon disulfide. Century Rayon today produces about 46 tons per day of pot-spun yarn, 18 tons per day high-tenacity rayon Tyre yarn, and 8 tons per day of continuous spun yarn. Pot-spun yarn and continuous spun yarn enjoy a niche market segment in apparels, upholstery, designer suits, ladies and children wear, while Tyre cord yarn finds application as reinforcement material for high-speed tires. Other applications include rubber hoses and specially treated fabric in space shuttles, etc. Century Rayon products are well accepted in both domestic and overseas market due to its durability and consistency. Today, Century Rayon employs a strong workforce of about 4,300 workmen and about 500 staff and officers. The largest contribution of Century Rayon, apart from its manufacturing plants, is not only a major job provider to many households of Shahad and nearby vicinity, but also a socially responsible company which runs schools, college and hospital, making it perhaps the only industrial group in Thane that has immensely contributed in the field of education and spiritual upliftment. The basic requirements of pleasant motoring are safety, even at high speeds, good road holding, prompt response to steering, zero vibration and shock-free smooth ride. The Tyre plays a crucial and decisive role in meeting all these requirements. The quality of Tyre and its behavior is largely determined by the reinforced material used. Rayon is an excellent reinforcement material. It is used for ultra-performance tires and run-flat tires, as it meets all requirements such as good adhesion to rubber and plastic, good heat aging, and chemical resistance, high modulus, low thermal shrinkage, and good dimensional stability. Rayon is a regenerated cellulose fiber, which has its origin in purified wood pulp. This sounds a tad simple than it is. The conversion of wood pulp to rayon yarn involves a series of complex chemical processes. The life of a passenger in a car is dependent on the performance of the Tyre. Now, we see the complete process, how Tyre cord yarn is made. At Century Rayon, only the best rayon grade pulp sheets are used. The sheets you see here are special wood pulp sheets imported from USA. pulp sheets are soaked with caustic solution and alkali cellulose is prepared. The alkali cellulose is then shredded into small crumbs in the shredder. And stored in bins in aging room at a specified temperature. This alkali cellulose is reacted with carbon disulfide to form sodium cellulose xanthate in a churn. The xanthate is then dissolved in a dilute caustic soda solution to form viscose. Viscose is then filtered and de-aerated to remove impurities and air. The ripened viscose, which appears like honey, is then supplied to spinning machines. The next process is called spinning. Where viscose reacts with acidic solution at controlled conditions and regenerates in the form of yarn, which is nothing but cellulose. Yarn is regenerated in two stages, on the spinning machines and in the stretch trough. Finally, it is washed free of acid, treated with finished solution and dried. This dried yarn is then directly wound on paper tubes, that is zero-twist yarn, or wound over flanged bobbins, that is pre-twisted yarn. Each and every package of Tyre yarn, that is the zero-twist yarn or the pre-twisted yarn, is inspected and segregated as per the laid down norms. This is how Tyre yarn is made and packed. Century Rayon has excellent systems when it comes to traceability. Each final product package carries a unique identification number. The system helps in tracking the final product from coning to spinning to the batch prepared in viscose. We also have a system of analyzing and controlling the manufacturing through timely measurements in two state-of-the-art laboratories, that is, the chemical laboratory and the textile laboratory. Even during processing, all the critical quality and performance attributes are monitored with the aim of ensuring final product quality. Various control systems are placed as charts, SCADA, check sheets, and round-the-clock analysis of in-process materials and products ensure the quality of product. Efficiency and effectiveness of various equipments are ascertained by adopting preventive and predictive maintenance and periodical calibration of instruments. Quality of product, services, and customer focus are the key requirements to sustain in business. Century Rayon adopted TQM, that is, Total Quality Management, as its core philosophy in the year 1993. Under the umbrella of TQM, various activities like COPQs, QIOs, 5S, Suggestion Scheme, Quality Circles continue to bloom. 5S, Suggestion Schemes and Quality Circles ensure involvement of workmen in TQM activities. Selected teams have participated and won recognition at state and national level competitions. the company has created end-to-end and systematic innovation management process that encourages the generation of new ideas. With deep understanding of consumer need and continuous effort, it has evolved number of new products which are well accepted in the market. The company today prides itself in being a star-rated and accredited quality management system. Besides, all the plants of the company, including the chemical units, have since been accredited with the Environmental Management System and the Occupational Health and Safety Management System. Besides these quality certification standards, the company, in keeping with its pursuit for excellence, also has got REACH compliance and is authorized to use Ecotech's Responsible Care Standard marks in its products of pot spun and continuous spun yarn. The company has always stood by its obligations to the state in meeting all statutory requirements as far as running a clean and responsible industrial complex is concerned. Century Rayon is totally committed to spreading the message of energy conservation, not only through efforts at unit level, but also through educational institutes which form a part of our group. Century Rayon is one of the designated consumers by Bureau of Energy Efficiency and thus has an obligation to reduce its power consumption every year by a specific percentage under the PAT scheme of Government of India. The organization has been able to do so over a period and has won many accolades by the state and the central government agencies. Century Rayon is committed to a healthy flora and fauna in the region. All statutory requirements by various governing bodies and the Pollution Control Board are adhered to. Round-the-clock monitoring of gases in the atmosphere is carried out across various locations in the factory. The effluent from various sections of the plant are collected and treated in the effluent treatment plant and discharged at the norms specified by the Pollution Control Board. A part of this treated water is recycled for cleaning, gardening and other process uses. Century Rayon Complex is synonymous with the name and fame of the Birlas, who have given a lot to society and the people of the region. As a well-oiled and running complex, Century Rayon is today the leading industrial unit in the region of Kalyan because of its broad business practices and unblemished ethics that go beyond the realms of practicing business in a competitive world. The company, under the able leadership of its chairman, Shri B.K. Birla, today continues to keep its vision focused on excellence in these challenging times. Century Rayon, one-stop destination for all rayon needs.